What if I told you that your brain contains special cells that allow you to feel what others feel, to experience their emotions as if they were your own? These cells, known as mirror neurons, are the foundation of empathy. Welcome to What If It's All a Game? Today, we will delve deep into the fascinating world of mirror neurons and explore how they shape our collective gaming experience, our interactions, and our understanding of reality. Have you ever watched a movie or played a video game where you felt an intense connection to the characters? Maybe you laughed when they laughed and cried when they cried. This phenomenon is largely due to mirror neurons. These specialized cells fire both when we perform an action and when we observe that action being performed by someone else. They create a bridge of understanding, allowing us to resonate with others emotionally. But what if this capacity for empathy is more than just a biological function? What if it's a crucial element of our existence, shaping how we connect with one another in this collective game we call life? To understand the implications of mirror neurons, we must first explore their historical and scientific background. Discovered in the early 1990s by a team of Italian researchers studying the brains of macaque monkeys, these neurons became a subject of immense interest. The researchers noticed that when a monkey reached for food, certain neurons fired in its brain. Remarkably, the same neurons fired when the monkey simply watched another monkey reach for food. This led to the hypothesis that these neurons play a vital role in understanding and mimicking the actions of others. But mirror neurons are not just about actions. They extend into the realm of emotions and intentions. When we see someone smile, our brain's mirror neuron system activates, giving us a glimpse into their joy. This has profound implications for social interactions. Empathy, the ability to share and understand the feelings of others, is largely facilitated by these neurons. In a way, they serve as a social glue, binding us together through shared experiences. Now let's consider the role of mirror neurons in the context of collective experiences in gaming. Imagine you're immersed in a multiplayer online game. You and your teammates coordinate to achieve a common goal. Your ability to empathize with your teammates, understanding their frustrations, celebrating their successes, is essential for effective collaboration. The mirror neuron system enhances this interaction by allowing you to sense the emotions of others, creating a shared emotional landscape. This shared emotional experience is not limited to gaming. It extends into our daily lives. When we observe someone in distress, our mirror neurons trigger an emotional response, prompting us to offer support or to act. This is evident in various social settings, from simple gestures of kindness to larger movements advocating for social change. Without the ability to empathize, our societal fabric would unravel, leaving us isolated and disconnected. However, the implications of mirror neurons extend even further. What if our understanding of reality itself is influenced by this neuronal activity? The philosopher George Berkeley once proposed that to be is to be perceived. In other words, our reality is shaped by our perceptions and interactions. If our perceptions are heavily influenced by the mirror neuron system, could it be that our reality is, in part, a collective experience shaped by our empathy? Consider the role of virtual reality in this context. As technology advances, we find ourselves in increasingly immersive environments where the lines between the real and the virtual blur. In these spaces, our mirror neurons are still at work. When we engage with characters or avatars, we may experience genuine emotional responses as if we were interacting with real people. This raises intriguing questions. Are we learning empathy through these virtual experiences? Are we enhancing our ability to connect with others, not just in games, but in real life as well? Yet, while the power of mirror neurons offers incredible potential for connection, it also presents complexities. What happens when we empathize with fictional characters or engage in virtual conflicts? Our emotional responses can become entangled, leading to a spectrum of effects on our psyche. For instance, extensive exposure to violent media can desensitize our empathy, making it harder to connect with others in the real world. It's a double-edged sword. While mirror neurons can enhance our understanding of others, they can also distort our perceptions if left unchecked. As we navigate this intricate landscape, it's essential to consider the ethical dimensions of empathy. If our mirror neurons allow us to experience the emotions of others, what responsibilities do we have toward one another? Should we cultivate environments, both in gaming and in real life, that foster empathy and understanding? This leads us to the question of collective responsibility. Our ability to empathize can be a catalyst for social change, motivating us to address injustice and inequality. So what if we embrace this capacity for empathy more fully? What if we recognize that our shared experiences, whether in gaming, film, or everyday interactions, are opportunities to foster deeper connections? Perhaps we should strive to create spaces where empathy can flourish, allowing us to explore the complexities of the human experience together. Now, let's reflect on the implications of these ideas. If our understanding of reality is indeed influenced by our capacity for empathy, how does this reshape our approach to life? How can we leverage our mirror neurons to enhance our relationships, our communities, and our world? As you ponder these questions, consider your own experiences. Have you felt a strong connection with a character in a game or a film? How did that experience affect your understanding of your own emotions or the emotions of others? Did it inspire you to act in a way that reflected that empathy in your real life? In closing, the exploration of mirror neurons opens up profound questions about the nature of reality, empathy, and our interconnectedness. It challenges us to consider how we engage with each other and the world around us. The next time you find yourself laughing at a joke or crying during a poignant moment in a game, remember the powerful mirror neurons at work within you. If you find these explorations compelling, if you're curious about the deeper implications of empathy and our collective experiences, join us on this journey of questioning and discovery. Subscribe to What If It's All a Game, and continue to explore the mysteries of existence with us. What ideas resonated with you the most? What questions does this spark in your mind? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Let's engage in this dialogue together as we seek to understand the intricate web of human connection that binds us all. Remember, the most profound answers often lie behind the most challenging questions. Keep questioning, keep exploring, and join us for our next captivating journey into the unknown.